guys, welcome to my channel V Walker. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a Greencast live on YouTube. A Greencast live is where you can just put your picture on the screen, but you are live. Just your picture, no need to put a video. Just your picture. So, let's go. Let's go to YouTube first. I'm already on my channel, as you see. So I'll just click on this plus sign to go live. As you can see guys, I already covered my camera so no one will see me while I'm setting up this live. And since I'm going to do this live stream for just for tutorials, so let's do it now. I already covered my camera, that's why you don't see me on the camera on the screen. Let's click on this edit. For the title, I'll put on tutorial, since I'm going to teach you how to do the Greencast live tutorial. And then I'm going to set it unlisted so no one will see me. No one will see this live stream, so I'm just doing it for tutorial. And now, if you're a monetized channel, just click on this advanced settings, enable monetization, like that, and then go back. Next, click on next. No, it's not made for kids. Go live. I'm live now, but no one will see it because it's unlisted. Now here's the options. This one is for the camera to flip it, the mic to mute it, and then there's the video. If you want to hide the video, here's the, what do you call this, edit. And then here's the Greencast logo, icon, this one. Click on it. My picture is already there, but you can change it to, if you want another picture, just change it. Now I'm just using this letter R. That's just how to do it, guys. Then if you want to change the picture again, just click on the Greencast icon, select new picture, like I did on my other live stream here. Okay guys, that's just how to do a Greencast live on direct, YouTube direct. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna end this live stream.